It's a new delivery here for Rabbit Motorworks. We got an awesome 1971 Cutlass, last from the past, fresh from the Eastern Seaboard. A little bit chewy in the quarter panels, but a really solid car overall. So, hope you guys are excited for it as I am. Can't wait to get it on the channel and start doing some work on it. Stay tuned.
Get up on the deck, I can put it up high enough. No effort lost, two handles. Nope, now she's still strapped on it.
Stay here.
You can hop up there if you want. There's a handle here. You can step right up.
Oh, right there?
Yeah, that's weight you stepped on.
And stay over on the side. He'll take pictures of it.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Really good. It's just exhaust.
Yeah. Yeah. I had a 69 Mustang and I wish I never sold it. Yeah. I had in high school and I had kids and they went away and I made it. Yeah, I smelt that too, so that's why I kept it low, especially with the tires, because where I use wheel straps, I don't want to lose. We gotta jump on as we get here, so hopefully
Hi.
I didn't take it off, so it must be
We're in the Cutlass. If you haven't seen what the Cutlass is. Dad's not here. I'm just making it for Dad.
What's going on?
We're taking off the Cutlass off the trailer. This is the Cutlass. This is the We'll show you more of it when we get home. And we're gonna go back home over there. So, get to it.
jump box right there in case we need it.
Oh,
What
In
happens?
case it lurches forward, I'm going to do it left.
that's smart.
Yeah, I don't blame you there.
Never know what forward you're in.
Stay with me, Cone.
Turn right up. Oh, wait a minute.
Booga.
Stay here.
Back it up. probably gonna come off the rim too.
Hey.
Shoot. All right.
Is there any way we could drive it up close to it, or what do you think?
Yeah, if you want.
Otherwise, I got to go up the hill and around. I'm afraid as soon as I make an turn, it'll roll right off.
I think a 20-foot hose. You want to try and pull in front of the truck, and I'll pump it up again. I don't know what. This far away, I don't know what else to do. Yeah. Unless you want to pull along the side of it, pull halfway up the trailer.
Thumbs up. Watch out for that car.
And I'll be honest with you, that thing, I haven't touched that since I picked it up.
It's nice.
And it started right up.
Yeah. Very cool. Thank you.
All right.
I'm gonna film you.
You're gonna walk.
Watch your hands.
You get in? Back to the house, and as you guys saw, we got it off the lift, so the car got delivered. It's pretty cold, very nice condition considering 50 years old, and it's gonna definitely be a project for sure. The inside of the interior is mediocre shape. Definitely is gonna need some TLC, probably some recovery efforts and related, but it's all here, it's all original, and it really hasn't been driven too much since the late 90s, and all of the the parts are going to need to be replaced, just of course the rubber things as well. It's basically the side of the back window that came off, but definitely an all their unmolested original car, so definitely a good platform to work with. It's got roughly 72,000 on the odometer. I believe she said that was original, and gauging from the condition of the car, you never know, it's hard to say. But the cool option of this is it's got the center console and buckets versus having the bench seat. So very much desirable options. That together with sport mirrors on the sides as well is another option that came with it. It's got a recently replaced windshield to it, and it's got the original hubcaps on it. The hood's there, the grill's all there, light surface rust. If we walk around the sides, this is where we've got some challenges here, as the back quarter. Definitely got a rust hole in it, chewy. This as well too, which will have to get replaced. Some issues with the door here. Not quite sure if it's all the way through or not. And then definitely at the bottom part of the right front fender. But all that stuff is pretty solvable. And I think it must have had some kind of repaint on a couple of this. There's a tape line here and someone had sprayed down here. There's some kind of a weird dent kind of right in here. Same or similar over here. If you look at the door's got some kind of impression right here. So somebody kissed in something right there too. So that either is going to need to get pounded out or pulled out and a new skin, or just some rough body work on it. But the cool thing about these older cars is that the metal thickness on these quarter panels is they're just solid, right? So there's all kinds of material to work with. And yeah, the underside of the car looks great. Floorboards are nice and solid, nothing rusting out other than the exhaust, which is pretty typical for out east. This car came from Virginia, so pop the hood, just kind of give a view of that too. There she is, a 350 Rocket, all in its glory. Running, stumbling a little bit, and I'm sure it needs a tune-up, carb rebuild, the works. Nice thing is it's nice and clean out the back, so it's definitely not throwing any exhaust and or smoke. So that's really encouraging. It's got good ring and little blow by. So that to me is encouragement, because I think that's true to the mileage that could potentially be on the vehicle. As I talked to the family who I bought this from, they were the original owners ever since 1973. So that was another reason I bought the car. It's all original and stayed in somebody else's family. So yeah, it's all there. And you guys can see they've done some work on the brakes. Master cylinder's been swapped out. The brake lines have been done. The fuel pump's been done, a new fuel line's been put in place as well too. So basically people have maintained this car for quite some time, doing everything they needed to just to keep the car running. So okay guys, well that's the kickoff of this project, and I hope you enjoyed the video. This has been a labor of love with me for many years, and this is one of my favorite vehicles to help bring back. So stay tuned to the channel as we're going to start getting into bringing this thing back to its former glory, and consider subscribing. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Thanks again for watching. Peace.